Okay. This is my apartment. This is the view out the deck. It's kind of a big deck. It's got a storage. This is my kitchen. Second. My fridge. Here's the laundry room. Hold on, let me turn the light on. If I can find it. I can't find it, but anyway, that's my laundry room. Okay. Then I have a little hallway. There's the kitchen. See, it separates there. And built-in shelving. There's a little outlet. And there's linen closet, bedroom, walk-in closet, and my bathroom. With a vanity mirror or whatever that is. And it goes back into the hallway. That's my apartment. Love you guys. Miss you. Talk to you later. Okay.